Welcome to Engine Explorer. Today, we're stepping inside something that has never been seen before in the RV world. This isn't your average camper. It's not even your average motorhome. This is the world's first two-story 2026 RV camper with a built-in rooftop deck. And once you see what's inside, you might just want to sell your house. From the outside, this thing already looks like it drove straight out of a futuristic movie set. It's built on a white semi-truck cab, seamlessly attached to a custom-designed, two-level motorhome that stretches across a massive 60-wheeler chassis. It's got a soft sage green and cream white color scheme, arched windows, and vintage lanterns that make it feel like a moving fairytale cottage. But what really blows people's minds, that spiral staircase peeking out just behind the main door. Let's step inside. The moment you enter, you're greeted by rich wooden interiors, ambient lighting, and an open-concept lower floor that includes a full kitchen, a cozy living area with a smart fireplace and panoramic windows. Yes, I'm a fireplace in an RV. The kitchen is straight out of a magazine, butcher block countertops, copper fixtures, a retro-style fridge, and even a small herb garden built into the windowsill. Moving into the living space, there's a hidden 4K projector that drops from the ceiling, a fold-out couch, and smart climate control throughout the cabin. Storage is integrated into everything. Drawers inside stairs, rotating pantry racks, even a shoe drawer under the couch. Now here's where it gets wild. Climb the curved wooden staircase, and you're on the second floor of the RV. That's right, a legit upper level. Up here you'll find a private master bedroom with skylights, curved walls, and ambient LEDs. The bed is queen-sized, surrounded by natural light and handcrafted wooden shelves. There's even a compact office space tucked behind sliding doors and perfect for digital nomads or full-time travelers. But the crown jewel? Push open those double French doors, and boom, you're on the rooftop deck. This is not a gimmick. It's a fully usable solar-paneled rooftop terrace with fold-out railings, weatherproof seating, and an outdoor grill setup. Whether you're parked in the mountains or by the beach, this is the ultimate chill zone. Sunset dinners, stargazing, you name it. Every inch of this 2026 RV camper is designed with detail, beauty, and full-time livability in mind. Built-in water filtration, heated floors, and a self-leveling system mean you can park this beast almost anywhere. And yes, it's fully off-grid capable, thanks to its solar array and lithium battery system. Honestly, it's not just an RV, it's a full-blown luxury home on wheels with 2 floors. If this is where RV design is heading, the future of travel is going to be wild and incredibly beautiful. Stick around because we're just getting started.